Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one cone here. Now we need to consider about part number 1. That is about x equals to y. So in this one, we put y into x. This one we have 2x. This one we have 2x squared. Now, when x approach to number 0, this one you got number 0. This one you got number 0. ln of number 0 you got negative infinity. 1 divided by negative infinity you got 0. Now let's consider about part number 2. That is about x equal to negative y. So in this one, we change x into negative y in here. So this one you got 0. This one we have y squared because this is about even power and we have 2y squared. So when y goes to positive, go to number 0, this one go to negative infinity. 1 divided by negative infinity, you got 0. And the next one, part number 3. That is about x equals to number 0. So we put number 0 cone here. And this one we have like this. So when y approach to number 0, this one will go to number 0. This one will go to negative infinity. So this one you got 0. Similar for part number 4. Y equal to number 0. This one we do the same and you got about limit equals to number 0. And we can say that all of them equals to number 0. That means the value of this limit equals to number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.